Usak. Usak was the first The Boyfriend star to leave the series before its actual conclusion. The official explanation for Usak's departure was that he had a pre-scheduled work trip and, therefore, couldn't stay on the show any longer. As per the reports, he is single and just now focusing on his work and his career. Jency. Another early departure on The Boyfriend came from Jency. He really wanted to make a connection with Ryota. While there were some points in Jency's journey that had us giggling at how he misinterpreted signs from Ryota, that didn't change the heartbreaking outcome that Ryota didn't reciprocate Jency's feelings. After that, Jency finally spoke with Ryota and took a exit from the show as he felt nothing left there for him. He is also single for now. Taecyeon. He is also one of the contestants who really tried hard to make a connection, and he really wanted to make one. But the connection he wanted never took place in the show. But yes, he had made a friendships that was really good. So in the final he took exit. He shared his feelings about this experience in the living room, surrounded by the entire group, thanking them for the lessons they've taught him. Dai and Shun. In show, Dai really spent the entire season to make a connection with Shun, but he never got the response he wanted. Then he really tried to make a connection with Ikuo. At that time, the Shun was seen to be jealous as Dai was getting close to Ikuo. They left the house together and confessed their love for each other at the beach. Shun and Dai also shared the most adorable kisses in the last episode, and our hearts melted. In present day, Shun and Dai are still going strong and live together, and are dating officially in real life too. They revealed this in The Boyfriend cast reunion. Shun even moved in with Dai for 3 months after filming Wrapped. Ikuo. He was a wild card entry in the show. Most of the couples and friendships in the house had already been formed, and this was a disadvantage for him. His connection was seen to be with Dai, but Shun and Dai start to have a connection with each other, so Ikuo also left alone in the final. He is also single now in real life. Ryota. His experience was really appreciating one. He always had a crush and wanted to make a connection with Kajuto, but Kajuto never felt the same. So in the final, he once again shared his feeling to Kajuto and left the show. This was most heartbreaking scene to watch. He is also single in real life and focusing on his career for now. Alan and Kajuto. This was the most suspense couple of show, as the Kajuto was still in the confusion till the last episode about the Alan and his connection. Alan wanted to make a connection with Kajuto and left on Kajuto for the final decision. So at final, they both had a long one-on-one conversation with each other, and then Kajuto finally confessed he wanted to leave the house with Ala, and Alan was super happy to hear that. Kajuto and Alan took a few Polaroid pictures in the green room and then left the house together, holding hands as a potential couple.